Think about it. The major life events that we go through take some time. Having a baby takes 9 months, plus the time it took to get pregnant. Planning a wedding or getting engaged averages about a year. Think about retirement. That takes 40 years. Hi, I'm Brandy Jones, owner of the Kingdom Realty team at Keller Williams. Think about it. Most big life events require some time to plan, and it's no different when you're thinking about buying a new home. So why not start planning ahead for your home purchase, especially if you want to maximize your credit? Increasing your credit score can take about 4 to 6 months. Buying a home is a major financial transaction, so planning ahead is the smartest thing to do, especially if you know that increasing your credit score will give you the most opportunity to buy the home you want and get the best terms on that purchase. Regaining trust with lenders by increasing your score, it can take time. So be sure to click the link below and contact me for some easy tips on how to maximize your credit. I'm Brandy Jones, and I love being there for all the big life moments for my clients. Be sure to reach out to me or any of my team members for all of your home buying or selling needs. We are here to help. Be blessed.